Going back to your Tuesday, we were seeing below average temperatures for those highs. Only at 30 is what we topped out, normally at 45 degrees, but our low temperature right on the money at 26 degrees, nowhere near the record of 78 or 7 degrees, and already sunset occurring at 8:34 p.m. But the good news for today, though, we made a nice jump back up thanks to the sunshine, the low humidity, light winds. It was spectacular Wednesday throughout the entire UP. Pretty much everyone in those 50s, 50 in Munising, 58 in Iron Mountain, 51 in Marquette. Just a beautiful day to take advantage and go outside. 57 in Ontonagon. Looking at those winds, mostly coming out of the north in Ironwood at 6, a little bit out of the west at 12 in Houghton. But as you make your way towards the central UP, mostly coming out of the southwest at 7 in Munising, 3 in Marquette. And that's really allowed everyone to pretty much bounce back from what we were seeing yesterday with all that snow. Now going towards the back end of the work week, we are going to continue to enjoy sunshine through the entire region. It really won't be until Friday night we'll begin to see the first major change in the weather as we introduce some clouds and eventually some rain showers by the time we get into your Saturday. By the time we get towards your Sunday, though, the sunshine will return once again, and it will linger until the early portion of the work week before we introduce a stronger disturbance by next Wednesday. Now, looking at the snow that we received yesterday in the Marquette area, they got 9 inches of snow. So far our season total is up to 150 inches of snow, and we're down by 45 inches for the season. So normally we're at 195, and you saw that in the month of March, though, we really did not receive a lot of rain or snow, so we actually been falling behind when it comes to the whole of precipitation. So it's good news that we did get at least some sort of rain or snow into the area. We're going to get a bit more as we go into Saturday and into next Wednesday. Now, this disturbance that you see here brings some rain into parts of Wisconsin. This one is pretty weak in nature. It's already starting to fall apart. It's not going to make its way towards the UP. The only effect we're really going to get is just an increase in cloud cover later on tonight and going into the early hours of your Thursday, but not really so much rain. Maybe a very small chance along the Wisconsin border, but that's about it. We have to wait till the first half of the weekend to improve those rain chances. Now, looking into your Thursday, that storm, like I previously mentioned, fizzling. You can see only just a couple spotty showers from Chicago all the way towards Kansas City. Thunderstorms as you make your way towards the south into parts of Kansas and Oklahoma. And then you can see warmer conditions into parts of the plains. It will eventually get a little bit more warmer as we go into your Friday. Now, looking at the setup for us here, just beautiful weather in control through the next 48 hours. It really won't be until Friday night, like I previously mentioned, when the weather begins to crumble a little bit. And maybe want to have that umbrella with you for the first half of the weekend on your Saturday. But for your Easter Sunday, it's looking to be pretty pleasant all throughout the UP. So take advantage and just make sure to go outside and enjoy the outdoors. But the only difference is by the time we get towards the end of the weekend, it's going to be noticeably cooler. So you may want to grab that jacket with it if you are going to go exploring on Easter Sunday or even into next Monday. 34 degrees, winds out of the southeast at 5 miles per hour. So it is going to be a relatively mild night. Now going into tomorrow, those light winds is going to allow it to be terrific out there, spectacular. Enjoy the sunshine, very similar to what we saw today. We may see temperatures a little bit warmer than what we're seeing today now that the winds are coming more out of the south at a more persistent pace. 54 degrees in Houghton, 56 in Ontonagon, 53 in Crystal Falls, 51 in Escanaba. So everyone in the 50s. We could see some signs of some 60s depending on that cloud cover that could push it closer to that mark. For your day planner on your Thursday, no complaints whatsoever. Sunrise occurring at 7:06 a.m. Mostly sunny skies throughout the daytime. Mostly clear in the evening with temperatures above freezing during the nighttime hours. And then going into the next 7 days, temperatures really begin to spike, especially by the time we get towards your Saturday with the rain at 62 degrees. But then it comes crashing down pretty quickly. By the time we get towards your Monday, we're pretty much going to be struggling just to get above freezing at 33 degrees with partly cloudy skies with a chilly rain by next Wednesday.